The next thing I want to talk about is decision. Why people take a decision or how people take a decision. People take a decision out of emotions. So if I get your emotion moving and excited about it, that you're gonna take a decision. There is two ways people take a decision. The first thing is the like or excitement. If you give me excitement or I like you, I'm gonna take a decision. If I have two friends, one that I really like and he get me excited and get me moving, I'm gonna go hang out with that person because I like him. The second decision is I dislike or as I feel bored with you. So if I have that second friend that I don't like him for whatever the reason, or when you hang out together, it just we feel bored and not connected, I'm not gonna go hang out with this. So back to our sales is clients will take a decision on these two things. If they're gonna love your product or they're gonna not love your product or don't like your product. So if we go to the first thing that we talked about earlier, that if they like and trust me and they love my product, that they're gonna buy it or on my service. So what we need to do is make sure they like our product. Example, the other day I was saying with one of my clients and explaining them my services, and they keep asking about the price, how much it costs, how much it costs. I told her, I'll tell you how much it costs, but let me make sure that you understand my product and the service and the benefit that you're gonna get from this service. Then I'm gonna tell you the price. After I explain all the benefit to her and how she can use my service and product, she didn't even ask about the price. So at this point, if I love the product, the price it does not matter. If it's gonna charge you $100 or I'm gonna give it to you for free because you're gonna see the benefit out of this thing.